welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through our brand new WildAx Meteor, a British built camper van. So the Meteor is built on our Ford Transit van. We'll have the upgraded 165 brake horsepower engine with the 8-speed automatic. It's just shy of 6 metres in length as well, so if you're looking something practical to even nip down to the shops too, this is ideal. It does feel like you're driving a car. It's not too big, you can fit it in a car parking space. You do have the grey metallic paint as well, so it doesn't immediately stand out as a motorhome. So as I was saying, we have the metallic paint and we've got our 16-inch gloss black alloys. The colour scheme is really beautiful. We've got the dark grey and orange decals along the side, so it's really striking looking vehicle. We've got our solar panel on the roof and it does come with a lithium leisure battery as standard, so you do have a lot of off-grid capability. We've got a barbecue point at the back and we've also got reverse sensors and a reverse camera for your driving aids. So we've got our tinted framed windows on the vehicle, our electric hookup point at this side as well, your little flue for your heating. So this van runs off your Truma electric and diesel heating system. Quick look into the driver's seat. Now we'll have all the gadgets for a seamless and smooth driving experience. You've got your automatic headlights in the front, so you've got your little turn dial down there. You've also got your electric park brake. You've got multifunctional steering wheel with your lane keep assist, your voice recognition, your cruise control, the list goes on. Everything up here is fully digital, including the cockpit in the front. This is your little gear stick, so you've got your 8 speeds, and then you've got a huge touchscreen infotainment system where you can access all your Bluetooth and your apps. So we're greeted by an absolutely beautiful colour scheme. Our control panel is up here to the left. Now what I like is the fact that your kitchen is just right by the sliding door. So if you have a good sunny day and you fancy doing a bit of cooking, you've got your 3-ring gas burner. Plenty of little storage cupboards as well. And then just behind me is our fridge. We've also got lovely panoramic sky view in the front lounge, so it does just let all the natural light seep in, and it's got a lovely modern finish. Into our wet room then, so we've got our shower. Now it's built into the sink and you can just basically lift that off. Your toilet's over here to the left and it swivels. You've got the lovely floating shelf effect in here as well, and your gloss cabinetry to match the living space. So the Meteor is 2 berth with 2 seat belts. Now what I like about this is that it is the rear lounge of course, but you can actually leave it as 2 single beds, so you can make it up into a large king size bed. It is a really good use of space too, because you've got your storage underneath your bench seats and you've also got plenty of cupboards, as you can see. So guys, that was the WildAx Meteor, and I'm sure you can see why it's proven to be a very popular model for this year. So come on down and see it for yourself. You can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, or you can shoot me across the email. It's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.